I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for Tuesday, May 4th. Dark pool is getting heavy. Oh yeah, we got a new dark pool level on the SPY at 416.96, 15 million, and very sneaky prints as well. All right, are in there. So if we if we stay below this, that is bearish, and you should put protection on it. Right, that is really really key level right now. So we're going to be bearish below 416, and for the day trade, bullish above 419. Let's head on over to the Russell, the IWM. And we are below lots of dark pool prints as well, all in bold below there. We're going to be bullish above 227.50 today and bearish below 224.25. The Qs are the ones that are leading us down, and yeah, it makes sense. I mean, they didn't perform well after their earnings reports, despite of whatever they reported. The stock did not like it, could be already incorporated. I don't know, but they are the weakest, as you can see from the daily chart. And we're going to be bullish above 337.50, bear below 334.50. We are below all of these heavy dark pool prints, by the way, so that is that's bearish. Below us is the 30 simple moving average. All right, right here in green. So we should have some computers buying there. A lot of times it'll go down. It might go a little bit below, and it'll try to hammer. That's usually what happens. So watch that level. But if it cannot hold that, sometimes we do have meltdown days where they literally melt down through the moving averages. Yeah. So watch for that as well. But there should definitely be some. That's if it kind of goes down there and goes sideways. Yeah, it's usually when it's a melt day. Usually it goes down and then pops up, and we usually see some prints as well. So we'll see. Let's head on over to the futures. We got E-minis coming down, bear below 41.75, and yeah, we've already gone down and hit all of my targets. Oh no, what does that mean? Well, it means that we got to find some new ones, right? So, and this is why I post this out. Sell in May and go away is here. All right, so you can see we came down very cool, by the way. Let me just enlarge this and show you guys. All right, let me just move that over. Yeah, so this is our beautiful Camarilla pivots. We came down to it. Look at the big blue volume spike too. Computers are loaded to buy the first time. Bounced up to this Camarilla, and Paul did a great presentation yesterday, by the way, on how to trade these pivots. So if you haven't had a chance to watch that in the trading pit, it is in the room drive. See, now we're here. So bearish below 41.60. That would be my next entry. Yeah, if it loses this Camarilla. All right. Sometimes if it goes up higher and then starts to turn around, there are other entries. That's what I teach you how to do, is map out those trades. But yeah, if it just continued down, that 60 is really key. All right, let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. Here we go. NASDAQ futures, as you can see, looking, yeah, really weak. Lots of room to go down. Bullish only above 13,850. Bear below 13,675. And we've already gone down and hit one target. Let's head on over to the oil futures. Let me bring this back up again. And by the way, I'm using the June expiration contracts on those oil futures. Yeah, oil's been super strong. If we just go to a weekly chart for a sec, yeah, you can see it's been ripping. Came down to this trend line, and we've been going higher. We are above all the prints, recent prints on various oil stocks. Today, though, we're going to be bullish above 65.80, this R2 level. yeah, is really key. So if we do move up there using pre-market volume as well, bear below 64.99 if it does retrace. Let's check out gold futures. Yeah, they had a nice move up yesterday and then a pullback. Wait, let's go to the weekly chart and check this out as well. Yeah, we did come up and we hit this resistance. Look how amazing. These trend lines are crazy good. Crazy good. We get right up to it and fell down. We literally have to break above 18, I'd say 16 area to get a big rally going. Yeah, we have lots of headway above on the gold, but we'll see. Bullish above 1787.50 just for the day trade, and bear below 1778. And now let's head on over to Bitcoin. Oh, futures. This is acting weird. Let me just pull up this chart. All right, going to be bullish above 57,000 and bearish below 54,850. I've been really watching this weekly chart. Yeah, and you know, to see I think we kind of filled in that gap, right? 59,300. Yeah, we did. We filled in the gap. It up thrusted, filled in the gap. Is it going to hold the 8 EMA or not this week? It's only Tuesday, so lots of things can happen. So stay tuned for that. But that's what I'm watching for the Bitcoin. All right, let's go to individual stocks. We have Pfizer, which reported and had that big 6 million print, by the way. So somebody obviously knew something before earnings. 38.52. We're way above that. Bull above 40.50 today for a gap and go higher, or bear below 39.50 for a pop and then drop down to support. Yeah, love those trades, are really good. Apple. We're still, oh yeah, this is bearish right now. We are below 10 million prints right now. 131.79. Let's see if we stay below that today. That is really key. All right, they splashed it up and now we are below the prints. So it's looking bearish. If we stay here, bull above 133.25, bear below 131.50, and we just went below that and hit a couple of targets already. Okay, so let's go to X. Yeah, Dave email like this stock in the room. Bullish above 25.50. And look at the volume that's been coming into U.S. Steel. Yeah. Higher volume the last 2 days. So this could get a nice push. Bullish above 25.50. We've already tested that this morning. Let's see if it can pull up again. Second test. Bear below 24.80 for a retracement trade. All right, let's talk about Twitter. We call it the dirty bird because it's not an easy one to trade. It really is a tough one. All right, definitely a shaky one, but we got these big prints on it. 53.60, 1.7 million. Yeah, so is it hammering? Is it finding a bottom? Didn't quite get to the 200 simple moving average, and that always bothers me. Like, I would rather it hammer that 200. So let's see if it does go there, but we'll be bullish above 55.50 and bear below 53.50. If it goes below the prints, we'll most likely head on down to about 51.50. That, or you know, in that area, that's the 200. So watch for that. We got BP, oil stock, was strong this morning and up thrusting. BP is not an easy one to trade either. Just letting you know that. It's shaky. There's much better oil stocks that are easier to trade. But this one was wide open on the chart and the setups look good. So bullish only above 26.50. But let me just, let me see something. Give me a moment. I just want to see if there might be let me open this one. Might be a better entry, perhaps. 26.20. Yeah, I would enter on the way above 26.20, and 26.39 would be my target. All right, now that it's pulled back since I mapped it out. All right, so let's go to the next one. CVS had earnings. We discussed possible, I don't know, butterfly or condors yesterday. Which one were we into earnings? How would that have worked out, Paul? Yeah, Paul mapped out a trade for us last night on it. How would that have worked out, by the way? We're going to be bullish above 80 today and bear below 79. Yeah, we missed you, Andrew. Andrew's like, what did I miss? We really could have used you yesterday. We're like, what would Andrew do on this trade? Yeah, Andrew just taught the advanced options boot camp where we literally put on lots of these trades. Yeah, well, we'll fill you in. Well, Paul will fill you in. Let's go to Riot. Riot bullish above 41.50 and bear below 38.50. All right, for Riot, not looking good. Yeah, it's bearish below the 4 and the 8 right now, turning down. Tesla also not looking good either. Nope. The trend has changed, folks. The 4 went below the 8 EMA on the daily chart, and it's in bearish. So territory. So we're going to be bullish only above 701.25. Yeah, lots of resistance up ahead. And easy trade, bear below 675 is already on. Let's go to Mr. Softy. Microsoft, bullish above 253 and bear below 249. Maybe it is down in sympathy with the newly announced divorce of Mr. and Mrs. Gates. I don't know, but all right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for May 4th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.